So, sorry, today, right, so now we're gonna go through this exponential question. Okay, so you look here, a piece of meat was removed from the freezer, there's a door, then temperature, T degrees of freezer scale by this equation. First part asks you to find the value of P after 1 over 15. Okay, because this is in minutes, so you need to convert this to minutes first. Right? So basically, the small t value for this case, right, would be 1 over 15 multiplied by 60, you should get 4. Alright. Now, if when we continue this question, then I'm going to move on to how we need to find the value of big T. Okay. So yeah, pretty simple law. We just substitute 4 into the equation. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. 28 minus 46 e 0.25 bracket 4. Okay, so just type that in. Right, you should get 11.0775. Okay, 3SF is 11.1. Okay, just type this in the calculator. Okay, moving on, take the value of T, big T temperature when small t becomes very large, and we'll explain the meaning of this value. Okay, so in this case, right, as t approaches infinity, right, because technically this time, right, time is infinite, right, so you can go on for as long as possible, right, and this exponential value here, e power 0.25 0.25 t, right, approaches the value 0, right? So in this case, this will be equal to 0, and we have to sub it into the equation. So in this case, it will be 28 minus 46 bracket 0, you'll get 28 again. So basically what this means, right? So the value of this is 28 degrees. So in this case, why is the value 28 degrees? Okay, because 28 degrees represents the room temperature, right? So because as the meat thaws for a long period, the temperature stabilizes. Okay, at the surrounding room temperature. Okay, so yeah, basically it's a limit law, and the meat will only go up to a temperature of 28 degrees because it just stabilizes at the room temperature. It won't go any hotter already. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I hope you understand why the limit of this temperature value is 28 degrees. Okay, and I hope you understand this question as well. So yeah, usually in this case, there's it will usually require you to think why the number is is the maximum value of big T, right? So you just need to understand and put a bit of thought into the context of the question as to why this number is the limit and can't go any higher. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.